Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash stuffing for the week. I have $702 over here that I'm going to be putting into my envelopes. And I'm first going to start off with my wallet because I have actually a good amount of leftover money. I was super busy this week, so I didn't really have time to go out and spend and eat out and do those kinds of things, which actually is a good thing. So yeah, I was busy with packaging all those orders from my first release, my launch from my shop. So all that's taken care of and packages are arriving, so that's super exciting. And then I'm hoping to have more product soon, for sure, like the placeholders and trackers and stuff, because I can make those. And then hopefully more wallets. Well, actually, yeah, wallets for sure are coming. But yeah, so that's exciting. So I was busy with that, so I didn't really have a lot of time to spend. So I have some money that I'm going to be putting into savings challenges, which is really exciting. So I have spending. I have $10, $15, $16, $17, $18 left in spending. So all of this is going to go into some savings challenges. Eating out. I think I went out to eat once. I went to In-N-Out. My meal at In-N-Out is about nine-ish dollars. So that's all I spent this week on eating out. So that's $21. That's going into savings. Groceries, I have $5, $6, $7, $8 left. So this is actually going to go into my Costco envelope. So I'll put that aside for Costco. Coffee, of course, I spent everything in coffee. And then buffer, I don't think I spent anything from here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is just extra money if I need it. And obviously I didn't need it this week. So that's going to go into savings as well. So now I can fill up my envelopes again, because I like to reset my envelopes every week because I like taking that leftover money and just putting it into savings. If you want, you could always roll the money over into the next week. That's always an option too if you don't want to just stick it into savings, but I prefer just putting it into savings. That's been working out great for me. So spending, I'm going to do 30 in spending. Eating out is going to get 30 as well. Groceries is getting 80, 50, 70, 80 in groceries. Coffee is getting 20 this week. That's 2 reloads for coffee. And then buffer is getting 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so that's buffer. And that is my wallet for the week. All right, now next I'm going to go into my binders. First one up is the black binder. Okay, so auto repair is going to get $5 this week. So now auto repair has 1, 2, 3, 400, 10, 15, 20. So 420 in auto repair. I need to check when my next maintenance is because I haven't checked on that. Maybe in like a month or two, depending on how many miles I drive. Christmas is getting 10. Now Christmas has 1, 2, 300, 350, 70, 90, 400. Cool, close to 500. So I could put a placeholder in this hopefully by next month. So that's 400. Electronics is getting $10. I already have 500 in the bank, so now I have in cash 100, 10, 20, 25, 100 and yeah, 125 in cash, so 625 total in this envelope. Emergency is getting $60. Oh, I already have an emergency. I have 2,000 in the bank. So now in cash, I have 60. So 2,060 in emergency. 2,060. Extra debt is getting 60. So now extra debt has 50, 70, 80, 85 in extra debt. $85. Furniture is getting $10. So now I have 100, 20, 30, 130 in furniture. Really close to getting my dresser. Rainy day is getting $20. So rainy day now has 50, 70, 75 in rainy day. 75. Registration is getting $5. So now registration has 50, 70, 80, 85, 90. My goal for this one is about like 135. So I'm almost there. Wait, did I count that wrong? I think I counted that wrong. 50, 70, 80, 85, 90. Did I say 90? I don't know. It's 90. $90 in registration. Road trip is getting $10. So now road trip has 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, $58. $58 for road trip. Scentsy is getting 10. So now Scentsy has 20, 30, 40, 41. And Scentsy. Subscriptions is getting 10. So now subscriptions has 25. 25. And then Treat Yourself is getting 20. So Treat Yourself has 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 62. And Treat Yourself. Alright, so that is the black binder, all nice and stuffed. Next is the white binder. This is the one I pull from the most during the week. This is the one I spend from the most, this binder. Alright, so Beauty is getting $5 this week. Actually, I need to go shopping with this soon. Like I said, I was so busy, I just didn't have time to go and do shopping and stuff, aside from like essential shopping. So I'll probably be doing that this week with this money. 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74 in Beauty. Is that correct? Yes, that's correct. 74 in Beauty. 74. Clothing is getting 10 this week. So now clothing has 50, 70, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 109 in clothing. 109. Content is getting 5. So now content has 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3, 63 in content. 63. Costco's getting 15, but it's also getting the 8 that I had from my wallet. So it's actually, now it's getting 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I need to update this number. This is getting 23 now. 23. And I have to update my tracker. All right, so now Costco. I'm going shopping at Costco's this week, so yeah, this will be good. So I have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 49. I think I added 8. Okay, so it's 49 for Costco. Very good. Disney is getting 55, but it's going to be 2 20s, a 10, and a 5. I'm actually going to Disney this weekend, so I need to get some more money in here before I go. So I think this should be good. So I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82 in Disney. 82. Family is getting 20. So now family has 45, 46 in family. 46. Oh, I just noticed. Oh, it says track me at www.where'sgeorge.com. Sometimes you find funny things on the bills. How much was that? 46? Yeah, 46. Fun is getting 25. Oops. So Fun has 25. So Fun now has 50, 70, 90, 95, 96 in Fun. 96. Gifts is getting 25. So now gifts has 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95. And gifts, 95. Hobbies is getting 10. So now hobbies has 20, 30, 40, 45. 45. Home decor is getting 15. Oh, holiday decor is already fully funded. So now home decor is getting 15. So I have 20, 35 in home decor. 35. And household is getting 5. So now household has 50, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74 in household. 74. Target is getting 10. So I have 25 in Target. 25. Okay, so that's it for the white binder. And now into the pink binder. All right, so I have this. This is my Go Wild one. I just haven't made a nice Go Wild envelope yet, but I will soon. So this is getting 25 this week. And now I have 100, 50, 70, 90, 200, 205. 205. Okay, now into savings challenges. All this should be savings challenge money. I'm actually gonna first start off in, actually no, let me do the power up first, which is only $6 this week. It was a very small roll, but still, little goes a long way. So we're gonna add this to last week's amount. Okay, so that one is the power up. And then I have all this extra money. Ooh, I have a good amount of money actually. Okay, let me just organize this a bit. Ooh, I have a 20. That's pretty good. I might be able to double what I planned on doing for my 100 envelope, because I was planning on doing 21. Let's see if I have any 40s. Do I have 41? Oh, I do have 41. I could do 41. So I have 20. I was planning on doing 21, but I have a 20 from my wallet. So I'm just going to do 41 since 41, that spot's available. So this will get stuffed here. That's one way I've been able to like stuff some larger amounts, by just using some extra, like the extra money, the leftover money from my wallet. Okay, so that's 41. Now I have all of this left over. Okay, so 10s. Let me put this over here. I have my little piggy bank savings tracker. These are $10 each. So I have these 10s. I'm going to do 3 10s. Let me color in. Where are my markers? Oh, here they are. I got my markers. I'm gonna color in 3 of the little cute little piggies. I plan on having more of these in my shop soon. I'm just waiting for my materials to come in. I'm having a little bit of issue with that. Now I have to go pick them up at USPS, which is annoying, but it's fine. It is what it is. I usually don't have packages like that delivered to my place, but I thought it was an Amazon package coming and not a USPS package. So, like, Amazon drops it off at my door, but USPS, like, I have a tiny little box, and for some reason they didn't put it in the big box, and now I have to go pick it up, so it's annoying. But I usually have things delivered to my mom's because she has a house and they just leave it at her door, so it's never an issue over there. But yeah, that's why I'm struggling with that package. All right, so now $5 challenge. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So I can fill in six of these suns. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All of this will go in here. Just add it to that. And I have a whole stack of ones. So that's just gonna get added to here, just to the ones, all the ones, which is nice when I have cash and stuffings to have all like this nice stack of ones to make change. So kind of happy about that for my next cash stuffing. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do put out content like this, and I have planning content too. There's a bunch of content on my channel, so definitely check it out if you're not already subscribed. But yeah, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.